Hey there, guitar enthusiasts! Ready to kickstart your guitar journey the right way? I'm here to guide you through the essentials in less than 2 minutes. Let's dive in. First things first, get yourself a decent guitar. It doesn't have to be expensive, just well-made and comfortable. Next, get familiar with your instrument. Learn the parts of the guitar: body, neck, frets, strings. Sounds basic, right? But trust me, it's crucial. Now let's talk about posture. Sit up straight and keep your shoulders relaxed. Your guitar should rest on your thigh with the neck angled slightly upwards. This is a foundation for good playing habits. Always, and I mean always, tune your guitar before playing. You can use a tuner app or a clip-on tuner. An in-tune guitar makes a world of difference. Next, get your fingers moving. Start with simple exercises. Practice chromatic scales to build finger strength and dexterity. This might feel tedious, but it's the secret sauce to fluid playing. Now, chords. Begin with the basic open chords C, G, D, E, A, and F. Practice transitioning between them smoothly. Strumming is key. Keep your wrist loose and strum evenly. Try different strumming patterns to add flair to your playing. Learning songs you love can keep you motivated. Pick a simple song and break it down into manageable parts. Don't rush it. Slow and steady wins the race. And don't forget, practice regularly. Even 15 minutes a day can lead to significant progress. Consistency is your best friend here. Finally, don't shy away from seeking help. There are countless resources online, tutorials, forums, and even virtual lessons. Leverage them to overcome obstacles and stay motivated. All right, that's all for today. Remember, learning guitar is a journey. Enjoy every step and celebrate your progress. Keep strumming, keep practicing, and most importantly, have fun. Until next time, happy playing.